Have you ever imagined a pair of glasses that could do more than just correct your vision? Today, we're diving deep into the latest Xiaomi smart glasses, a gadget that's turning heads and redefining wearable tech. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll know why these glasses are not just a tech accessory, they might be your next essential gadget. Xiaomi has been known for pushing boundaries, and their smart glasses are no exception. Sleek, minimalistic, and lightweight, these glasses are designed to blend seamlessly into your everyday life. Unlike bulky AR headsets, Xiaomi focuses on comfort without sacrificing functionality. The first thing you notice is the premium build, a combination of high-quality materials that make it feel more like luxury eyewear than a gadget. But it's not just about looks. Underneath that stylish frame, Xiaomi has packed serious tech. These glasses come equipped with a 12MP camera capable of capturing stunning photos and videos in real time. Whether you're at a concert, traveling, or capturing daily moments, these glasses let you record effortlessly without fumbling for your phone. And yes, it supports 4K video recording, which is a big deal for content creators on the go. Now, let's talk about what makes these glasses smarter than your average wearable. The Xiaomi smart glasses are powered by AI features that enhance your experience. Voice commands allow you to snap photos, record videos, or even get directions hands-free. Imagine walking down the street, asking your glasses to translate a sign, and instantly seeing it in your field of view. This is where augmented reality makes everyday tasks easier and more immersive. Battery life is another area where Xiaomi has focused. With a 9-hour battery life on a single charge, these glasses are built for all-day use. And when it's time to recharge, the magnetic charging system makes it fast and convenient. The glasses also feature touch-sensitive temples. This means you can control music, answer calls, or adjust volume with just a swipe or tap on the frame. Connectivity is key, and Xiaomi doesn't disappoint. These glasses support Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable connections with your smartphone for calls, media playback, or syncing data. It works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices. When it comes to usability, Xiaomi focuses on real-world functionality. The glasses are lightweight, weighing under 50 grams, making them comfortable for extended wear. They're adjustable, ensuring a snug fit for different face shapes. Pair this with a stylish design that doesn't scream tech gadget, and you've got a device that feels natural to wear anywhere. The companion app provides detailed customization. You can tweak camera settings, manage media, and access AR features to enrich daily activities. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, the software makes everything smooth and intuitive. Let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Considering the premium build, AI features, camera capabilities, and AR integration, Xiaomi has positioned these glasses at a surprisingly competitive price point, making them accessible for anyone looking to experience wearable technology. So, who is this gadget really for? Creators, tech enthusiasts, travelers, and professionals who value productivity on the go will find immense value. Even casual users will appreciate hands-free photography, music control, and AI-assisted features. It's not just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade merging technology with daily life. By now, you might wonder if these glasses have any drawbacks. Like any new tech, there's a learning curve, especially mastering voice commands and touch gestures. And while the camera is powerful, low-light performance may not match high-end smartphones. However, these are minor trade-offs for the convenience offered. To wrap up, the Xiaomi smart glasses are more than just stylish frames. They represent a step forward in wearable technology, combining practicality, performance, and design. Whether you want to capture life moments, explore AR features, or look futuristic while doing it, these glasses check a lot of boxes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Vibe, and ring the bell for more tech reviews, leaks, and insights. We bring you the latest gadgets from around the world, keeping you ahead in the tech game. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech savvy.